हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग। स्टार्ट करते हैं हम अपनी क्लास। इफ़ वी सेड दैट द कलेक्शन ऑफ एनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स, एलिमेंट्स और एनी members, so what you said that in the mathematical term? Oh yes, it is a set. So our today's topic is set. Set is a collection of any object, element, member and etc. For example, rivers of India, various types of triangle, various types of triangles, vowels in the English alphabet and etc. So, what's the definition of the set? So, we start the definition. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. So here, what is the meaning of well-defined? Well-defined means is a clearly described. For example, collection of the natural number 1, 2 and so on. This is a collection of natural numbers. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Is this a set? No, because this is not a clearly defined which country. This is not a sample of set and this is an example of set. Representation of set. Representation of a set is two types. First, roster form, or it is called a tabular form. Second is a set builder form. In this roster form, we directly name of the elements are mentioned, or in the second thing is here we separate all the elements by using comma. By using comma. For example, take a set of the vowels A, E, I, O, U. What we see? We see that we separate all the elements by the comma and we mention what's the element. A, E, I, O, U is the element of the set. So here we mention the elements. Now, what is the set builder form? Indirectly, properties of the elements are mentioned. For example, again we take a example of the vowels V, X, where X is a vowel in English alphabet. Here this is a colon, or it is also called a such that. Here we take any letter, for example X, Y, Z and so on. So, remark, what we see in both the form, we see that first, always we use capital letter to represent a set. Representation of set is a capital letter. Second, elements in small letter. And the third part is we use middle bracket to enclose the elements. Set is enclosed by middle bracket. We have any set A, E, I, O, U. If we said that A is a element of V, we write it as A belongs to V. This is belongs to, or this is a epsilon. Epsilon is a Greek word. And B is not belongs to set V. How we represent? B is doesn't belongs to V. Let's take an example. The set of letters forming the word mathematics. What's the set? The required set is middle bracket and then M. What's the element? Element is M, A, T, H, E, M is also written. Skip the M. And A is also T, then I, C and then S. Or it also write as A, C, E, H, I, M, S, T. Remark, don't repeat elements in the set. Write the solution of the equation x square plus x minus 2 which is equal to 0 in roster form. What's the solution? Solution is the given equation can be written as then solve x minus 1 x plus 2 which is equal to 0 and we get x is equal to 1 and minus 2. Therefore, the solution set of the given equation can be written in the roster form is 1 comma minus 2. Now let's see the another example. Write the set x such that x is a positive integer square is less than 40 in roster form. Solution. The required members are, so let's start with the 1 square is a 1 which is less than 40, 2 square which is equal to 4 less than 40, 3 square is equal to 9 less than 40, 4 square is 16 less than 40, 5 square is 25 less than 40, 6 square is 36 less than 40, 7 square which is equal to 49 which is not less than 40. So what we get? The required set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's see the example of set builder form. Write the set A which is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on in the set builder form. Now, what's the solution? Solution is we write the set A which is equal to middle bracket x such that x is the square of natural numbers, because this is a square of natural number. Here we write the property of the elements. X is the square of natural number, or alternatively we can write it as set A which is equal to middle bracket x such that x is equal to n square, where n belongs to natural number which is represented by capital N. Home assignment is try to solve exercise 1.1. Thank you. Thank you for watching.